Dropping gems from Keisha Christian. She's on a mission, sharing information, knowledge for soul, body and mind. Dropping gems, KeishaGems.com, KeishaGems.com.
Hello everyone, greetings. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. I'm so excited. How do you like our new theme song, or jingle I should say? If you like it, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below letting us know what you like about the theme song or anything about this video. Please leave a comment below. Well, today in the Dropping Gems series, I wanted to talk about a new series that I've started here at Keisha's Gems, or a new book series, I should say. And it's called the Dropping Gems book series. And the first book within this series I want to share with you today is called Healthy Gems. It's a short read, and it's entitled Healthy Gems, Nourishing Practices and Self-Care Tips for Busy Individuals. And it's a short read, and I decided to make it a short read in a small book, something that you could keep along with you so you could use it as a reference. And this book contains different types of recipes that you could use, simple recipes, and simple and small changes you could make in your life to have a more holistic lifestyle. I care about your health, and one of the things that I wanted to do was to make easy ways, or to share easy ways that we could help to improve the quality of our life. Now, in this book, it's about holistic healthcare tips. And when I refer to holistic, I'm not just talking about the things that we eat, but it's our mind, body, and spirit. First of all, what are you feeding your spirit? This is something you need to ask yourself. And I'm not even talking about religion as far as the spirit. I'm talking about forgiveness. Have you forgiven someone or asked for forgiveness? Do you speak positive affirmations over yourself and towards others? What is your thought process like? Do you meditate? So these things are covered in the book. I'm also going to be talking about movement. When we talk about the body, do you move the body? Do you exercise? Simple things you could do to help create movement in the body, or to move if you don't like particularly exercising or going to the gym, because I'm one of those people. I'm not particularly fond of going to the gym, but I do find ways throughout the day to involve movement in my life. Another thing, what are you feeding your body externally? Now, we know that the largest organ in our body is our epidermis, also known as the skin. And what are some of the things that you're putting in your skin? In this book, Healthy Gems, I talk about some of the products, or I should say I discuss some of the products that we sell here at Keisha's Gems to help with different things that affect the skin. Now, one of our most popular items that I discuss in the book is called Baby Gems. And Baby Gems is a very mild soap that can be used, of course, on a baby, but also too for people who have eczema, psoriasis, things of that nature can benefit from using this soap, being that it's mild. Another thing, one of the popular items that we also have on our website is Delightfully Divine natural deodorant that can be used for those of us who don't want to use deodorant that has antiperspirant in it. So this is a natural deodorant that helps with odor. It doesn't make you stop sweating, although I do have customers that tell me they don't sweat as much from using this deodorant, but it doesn't have antiperspirant in it, but it does help with cutting down on odor. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I want you to check out our new book we have here at Keisha's Gems. And I thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Peace and blessings to you.
Dropping gems from Keisha Christian. She's on a mission, sharing information, knowledge for soul, body and mind. Dropping gems, KeishaGems.com, KeishaGems.com.